Hey, what's up? Nasir Malik here. Welcome to Python Tips series. I'm doing multiple tutorial series on automation, so it is hard to cover everything in these tutorials. So I decided to do tip series on the technology that I will be using to create these tutorials. You can check out my channel for automation series on functional and performance testing. I'm also working on a home automation series using Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and other devices with Alexa. I will be uploading them soon. So let's get into the Python tip of the day today. Sometimes there is a need to test or serve simple HTML pages or quickly share some files through the web browser. You will have to install and configure a web server, but if you have installed a Python on your system, then it is very easy to serve any directory in seconds. So let me show you how we can do that. The first thing you need to make sure you have a Python installed on your system, and it is in your system path. This works same way for Windows and for Mac. So I'm doing it on Windows, but this should work on the Mac also. So first thing you need to make sure you have Python installed. I have Python 3.4 installed here. So let's create a simple directory that we want to serve quickly with Python. So I'm going to call this PyServer. And I want to serve all the contents in this directory through the browser or to a web server. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to create a simple document in there. So I'm going to type in some text in there called I'm going to save it. I'm going to change it to name and the extension. I'm going to change the name and extension. So I'm done. If I click it, it will open up in a browser and will show you what's in that web page. It's very simple. So let's quickly share this web page through a server, a Python web server. So I want to serve this directory through the Python server. So I'm going to press Shift key on the keyboard and right click this directory. So you will look for this option in the menu, open command window here, and you click on it. So when you click on it, it will open up a command line for this directory. And simply on this command line, you can type in Python to make sure to check that Python that is installed on your system, it is in your system path. If you don't get the similar output, you have to go to the click on the start button and type in sysdm.cpl and enter, and this will open up a system property windows for Windows. So you go into advanced and environment variables, and you need to set the path of your Python in here. And this is your Python exe. So copy this home directory of your Python wherever it installed, and you need to either add it towards at the end here, like so, or you can do it on the system level. So these are your user variables, these are system. So either way it would work. So once you do that, so when you come back and give the same command again, you will be able to see the similar input. You can clear out of here. So do press Control Z, enter, and it gets you out of this command. So now you can type in the command to serve whatever you have in this directory. You can serve it by this command. So we'll start a Python simple server, and this will be the root directory for it. So anything you have in here, you can serve it. So the command is very simple. It's Python space -m space http dot server. You can specify the port if you want, or you can leave it blank and it will start on default port. So I'm gonna start on the port 9000. So that's it. It is serving. So if I go ahead and open up another tab and go to localhost 9000, so you should see the content of the directory. There you go. So if I go ahead and go into the directory, modify this, save it, and refresh it. There you go. You can also drop some kind of like zip files and stuff. Let me see if I can find one. And you can serve it through that directory. So let's say if I put in a zip file in here, and I'll type in the name at the end, and it would open up a download window so I can save it anywhere I want. So that is it for this tip. Tune in next time. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.